Right, update on my weekly vlog that I said I'm going to do every week. That I'm going to film the week before and then release the week after. Right, last week, which included Easter weekend, I spent all week vlogging, filming. Then I spent an entire day editing. And I mean, it was like 15 minutes long. And you know what I mean? It was, I don't know if you're interested or not, but we're never going to find out. Because like a dickhead, with one click of a button, I deleted the fucking lot and I lost it. Can't even retrieve it because before I realised what I'd done, I'd emptied my recycle bin as well. And not only that, I'd done a video, a Port State video, and I've lost that as well. Just how the fuck, I don't know. Never done anything like that before. So, it's fucking got out. Yeah, well, we'll see what we can knock up in the next couple of days, and at least I can flick something out. Look at it. Cracking fucking flags, man. Apparently this is our summer, one day, right? It has been, what day is it today? Thursday. That first segment I did on Tuesday. Listen, I've been downhearted with it. Let's get it shared a bit. It really fucked me off that I deleted that video. Because a lot of time, a lot of effort went into it. And a lot of actual memories with the kids as well. Because I did a lot of filming at Gulliver's World as well. So I lost all that. I lost a lot of pictures. How the fuck, I don't know. I was just having a clear up on my phone and for some reason I just... You know what I mean? It's 2 days on, 3 days on since I deleted it really. And I'm still kicking myself up the fucking arse for it. But hey, look at that. Finally, spring is here and it stopped fucking raining. So, this'll probably be it. I don't know, I might do a bit more today. And by the time I have this up, it'll probably be weekend. So, but as far as the weekly vlogging's going, I'm just going to see how it goes each week now. Because after that last, it really fucking depressed me. Not just that, I lost a video I spent all night making as well. So, you know, times are hard. Also, I'm skint, right? But that's a different story. But hey, the skies are blue. You know what, back in the day, I said back in the day, I make it sound like I'm talking about when we used to shit in a bucket and have a bath in a steel bath, you know. You know, when I first started this channel, I used to do a lot of me closing speeches here in the garden. You know, things develop, stuff like that. I've got a fag, I'm sorry. There's no point being someone I'm not, is there? I love a cig. I love a beer. I don't have a beer every night though. But this weekly vlog thing, right? I'm going to finish it here tonight. It's only Thursday. I was like I said, I was so fucking downhearted about deleting the last one because I lost so much shit with kids and everything. So, excuse me. Compliments of unbelief. Obviously, I'm going to get some dislikes because I'm smoking, but at least I'm smoking outside, which I always smoke outside. Kids in the house. You don't smoke around your kids. Stella. So, yeah, update. What am I going to do? I've just done a video, actually. I don't know if you've seen this video before you see this, or vice versa. I'm not sure. I'm not telling you what it is. All I'm going to say is, it was mighty fucking fine. I've also still got 2 videos to edit off my memory card from my Canon. So, one I wasn't going to actually release on YouTube, but with the recent events, I might do. It is a fail. It didn't work. It's a peanut butter fucking pork video. And I deep fried it, and basically I might as well have given it a fucking bath in oil. And I had to then fucking basically bend me fucking deep fat fryer basically. But yeah, these cooking videos are getting a bit hard. That's why a lot of these cooking channels, like I said, only do one video a week. And I did a, oh God almighty, I bet it's about 18 months ago I did a challenge to myself, and I did a video every day for 7 days. And it worked out, I did 8 videos in 7 days. How the fuck I managed that, I don't know. But then again, we didn't have Kieran nipping at my ankles and, you know, and all that shit. So obviously little kids are there. You know. Kieran's hard work. Oh my God. I hope to God he's comatose upstairs. I've bought some chloroform off the internet just for it. Anyway, we're gonna end it there anyway. So got me Stella, got me fag, just chilling in the garden. Because tonight is probably the only summer we're going to ever get. I don't know if you could hear that, but that was Kieran upstairs in bedroom. It's even affect me in garden, isn't it? I'm going to go upstairs and I'm going to teach him a lesson. I'm going to tickle him to death. But other than that, if you like it, press like, comment, share, and subscribe. And become a member of #teamctb with me, Kieran up there if you can hear him, Connor, Lucy, Louise, all you fantastic subscribers, brothers and sisters that stuck by me. Guess what? I fucking love you. It's fucking gone out.